Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Friday, August 19th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had higher trade in corn and wheat today, not by a whole lot. Corn and wheat both up about 1 to 2 cents there. Actually, Kansas City was weaker, but both Minneapolis and Chicago ended up being higher on the day. So looks like you're just running out of some sellers here in both both wheat and corn. Soybeans, though, were lower on the day, actually down about 10 cents in your November contract, down 5 on your front contract there of September. So a little bit of pressure there as you're starting to just hold a bit of premium into these soybean markets, knowing we're going to get a little bit of a good yield out there. You're starting to have people talk that soybeans are pretty much finished in a lot of areas. The rain has let off just slightly, and so that selling pressure came into the soybeans here coming into the close of the week. Actually, you had a higher trade in the cattle market, so live cattle, feeder cattle slightly higher coming into the cattle on feed report, and then lean hogs about mixed. And so you got cattle on feed here after the close, and you had placements, and placements and cattle on feed came in a percentage point higher than expected, but marketings came in a percentage point lower than expected, so pretty much a neutral report, maybe a little bit friendly considering the fact that you sold these markets off midweek and had some decent cash sales here at the end of the week, so shouldn't be too much of an influencer. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot. You had a little bit of a higher dollar, about 33 cents higher, so that could have put a little bit of pressure on some things, but for the most part, very quiet outside market. So what we're looking forward to next week, you start Pro Farmer Tour on Monday, so you're going to start getting information tidbits from them. They'll go from state to state, they'll compare them to last year, they'll compare them to the average, and really this offers a lot of information out there as far as those yields go. So you'll start to get that information midweek next week, and that's what the market is really waiting for and paying attention to. Also, you'll be waiting to see those updated weather forecasts, as you do have the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 day looking at above average precip for a lot of areas, including the parts of the Corn Belt that should get started on harvest here pretty soon. So we'll have that update as well, and then you'll see how these markets trade off of that. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend.